God bless you guys, Roberto Diaz here with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to stay motivated while making music, but you can also apply this to anything in your life, whatever you do, photography, videography, music videos, funny videos, whatever videos, video videos. Anyways, so for me, something really important, and it's probably one of the most important things, well, one of them, is keeping a clean environment. Keeping a clean environment wherever you're at, your home, whatever it is super important. To me, this is like, I need to have a clean environment. If my house is messy, it makes me feel messy. If I feel messy, that means my music looks messy. If my music looks messy, everything seems horrible. So that's just something that helps me to stay motivated, is having a clean workspace. My desk, literally, it's a white desk. It's clean always. Dust does not live in my desk. I just feel like it doesn't help you work. You're just distracted. So just simple workspace. You don't need to, I remember when I would first start off, I had like a home theater system on top of my studio monitors, and I had like 10 headphones out, and I remember I would lay out like 10 laptops, like literally 10 laptops open, all in the charger, not 10 laptops, but literally all my computers, and I had all these different monitors I would collect throughout the years. So literally my desk looked sick, and I looked like I had a lot of expensive things, and I had microphones sticking out from everywhere, like everything was mounted. I had guitars on the wall, I had all these things, but I realized that it wasn't convenient. I wasn't getting work done because anytime I try to do something, I literally had to go through all these different things, all these different moving my laptop, and it's more of a show. You're just giving off a show looking like you have all these things, but in reality they're useless, because you can use them, but you're literally just stuck and trying to connect all these things. And I remember at first that would literally bug me so much because it was so hard to get going. People would come and record, and literally I had to, oh, hold on, give me a second, I need to unplug all these different cables. I didn't know where they were going. So now literally my desk is super clean, organized, and I have all my cables running from beneath my desk, and literally it's all routed through my little home studio here, and that makes it easy for me. I'm not worried about where things are at. If I need to switch a mic, I'll just switch it, but it's like there's nothing harder than that. You use headphones and studio monitors. It doesn't get more complicated. I don't have a random home theater system hooked up on here. I don't have all these random things that I don't need, all these extra speakers for no reason. Just keep it simple, and I promise for people starting off, it's gonna make it super easy and simple for you too when you're making your music. Something else that is really gonna help you guys push your beats and your music, whatever you're creating, is hear different music. I remember when I first started, I didn't want to hear a lot of different music, and I wanted to hear my music. I would literally spend time just hearing my own beats, and after a while I realized that all my beats sound pretty similar. Why? Because I was literally just being influenced by myself. And yes, to me it was like I'm being unique, I'm being different, it's my sound. But the issue with that is that you literally need to hear different things to do different things. And I'm not saying copy people, because that's garbage. Don't copy people, but get inspired by other artists, hear different music. It's important to hear different music. It's gonna push your abilities. It's gonna push you to become a better artist. It's gonna make you do things that you're like, oh, I never heard that before, and you're gonna try to apply it, and maybe you'll do it differently, but it's gonna sound different. We're all humans, we're all creatives, and we're all doing different things. So it's important to hear different type of music, especially different types of genres. Quick side info, I'm Mexican, and a lot of people assume that I hear a lot of Mexican music, and sometimes I do, but I also hear like bachata, I hear reggaeton, I hear hip hop, I hear trap, I hear all these different genres. Like there's so many different genres right now, like EDM, and I don't even know what kind of genres are. I get stressed thinking about different genres. Like I love them all, and it helps me so much. And the issue that I have is that I end up trying to do all these different types of beats that were things I didn't even do before. I was trying to make a banda song. Don't even ask me about that. But it's like, let these ideas and different people inspire you, but don't copy their talent. Don't copy what they're doing, but just get inspired and push yourself to do different things. Don't just get stuck on whatever you're doing, because the world is changing. Things happen, things change, so people are always going to hear the same type of music. Maybe right now you're really good at making trap beats. 10 years, who knows if we're even going to be hearing trap. Things change, genres evolve, things happen, people change, whatever it is. My last and final tip, something that helps me personally get inspired and just make better music and always have a fresh mind, is spending time with God. And for me, that's something personal, something that I do in my private time. I pray, I read the Bible, I spend time with God. And for me, that is something that inspires me. I'm sleeping at night and I get these crazy melodies, like really good melodies. And I literally have to wake up in the middle of the night and turn on my phone to record whatever the heck I'm trying to mumble, and like blah, 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 like random melodies. And And like this is the way that for me I get inspired. I get ideas directly from what I get inspired from, something that helps me, which is God, and spending time with God, reading His Word, and it just pushes me to get inspired, to feel motivated, to continue making music. If it wasn't for God, I wouldn't even be making music in the first place. So for me, this is something really important, and it's probably the most important thing for me is spending time with God, reading, praying, and just reading His Word. It's something that just transforms you, it changes you, and it's changed the way my music sounds. It's different for everyone, but for me, I feel like this is what has made me a better producer. This is what has pushed me to be where I'm at now because of God. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Really important. If you guys have any more video ideas, please comment below. Also, what are things that inspire you to make music? What is something that keeps you motivated? Let me know down below in the comments. God bless you guys. See you next time.